Hey guys, what's up? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to this channel Abroad Job and good morning to all of you. So today in this session we will discuss a job openings from Canada. There are huge job openings, recent job openings, and I will explain how you can get job offer from Canada, and it's a very easy process. Just you have to follow the process, then you can find a job in Canada. So let's move and let's know what is the job openings, how to apply, everything details. So first of all, we need to focus what is the job openings. Five construction labor required in Canada. So guys, if you're interested to work as a construction labor, you should have the proper English language knowledge. You should have no degree certificates requirements. Just you should have the minimum 1 year of experience in the construction labor field, and you should have the specific skills like remove rubble and other debris at construction sites, mix core and spread materials. This is all about the experience regarding the constructions. So if you are guys ready to apply for this job, then you can send your all documents to the given official email ID before this date. So first of all, you should know this is a latest job openings. You have to apply as soon as possible. And if you are looking for a construction labor job, then this is the suitable platform to apply for this job. Once you apply, your CV shortlisted process will be start. Once your CV will be shortlisted, you can attend the interview, and after you crack the interview, the process will be start by the company for the documentation and the visa process. So guys, let's move to next job. Next job is food service supervisor. If you are belongs to food and beverage professionals, if you have the relevant experience, no need to be late. Apply as soon as possible. You should have language of English communication skills. You should have the education, secondary, high school graduation certificates. You should have the minimum 7 months or minimum less than 1 year experience requirements in the relevant field, and you should have the specific skills as per mentioned right here. You should supervise and coordinate activities of staff who prepare and portion food. You should supervise and check assembly of trash. You should prepare food order summaries for check. You should prepare and submit reports. You should maintain records of stocks, repairs, sales, and wastes. So this is all about the specific skills to apply for this job. If you are fulfilling these all requirements, then no need to be wait. Apply as soon as possible. Before you apply, I can suggest you please go to the descriptions and collect these all informations and read it again. What is the basic requirements which is demanded by the employer or the company? Then, if you are really eligible for this job, then you can immediately forward your all documents to the given official email ID. After you apply, the shortlisted process will be start for the interview. So let's move to next job. Next job is sales supervisor. So guys, if you have the relevant experience, it's a better opportunity to apply for this job in Canada. So if you have experience in retail professionals as a supervisor, you can apply. You should have English knowledge. You should have qualifications as a secondary schools graduation certificates. You should have minimum 1 to 2 years of experience. You should sell merchandise. You should prepare reports on sales volumes. You should authorize payments by check. You should authorize sales worker. You should assign sales worker to duties. It's all about those specific skills which is a requirement by the company. And if you are really eligible for this job, please apply as soon as possible by this email ID. So guys, the thing is, you have to apply if you are really eligible as soon as possible. Once you apply, your CV will be shortlisted. Then you have to attend the interview in the particular fixed date and time. After you crack the interview, the all process will be started by the company. So guys, again I would like to tell you, this is the urgent job vacancies from Canada. You can easily find a job in Canada. You have to just follow the process. This is the construction labor, and this is the service supervisor, and this is the sales supervisor. So guys, any of this profile or any of these professions, you can apply as soon as possible. Before you apply, I can request you, please go to the description below this video. All information is there. Please collect that and again read it carefully by yourselves. Then once you clear that your qualification, your experience is fulfilling by the requirement which is mentioned by the employer right here, then you can apply as soon as possible. So guys, again I'd like to tell you, please be serious. If you are looking for an abroad job, you have to try again and again the same things I already shared in the previous videos. The thing is, you have to focus, you have to keep patience. If you are looking for an abroad job, you have to apply again and again. Don't worry for the not getting any reply. your duty, you have to apply again and again. So collect this information and email ID, try to make your CV and cover letter be professional, and gathering your certificates, and then you can apply easily. After you apply continuously again and again, of course one day you will get a reply and you can move for the interview, and then you can get success to find a abroad job. So guys, if you have any doubt or any confusion, you can drop your question in the comment box. I will try to give your answers. If you want to ask anything, you can ask in the comment box. I will try to give your answer. So the thing is, collect these informations, collect the email ID, and be prepare your CV and cover letter and all certificates. Make a PDF file, all of this, and send to the related official email ID which is given by the employer. After that, you have to apply by the proper process. So guys, the thing is, you have to focus on the information, you have to apply, be positive, and of course one day you will get success. So guys, best of luck for your future, and I hope you will share this information to your friends and relatives who are really want a abroad job. So again, my sincere request, please keep with this channel and check each and every videos. I am always updating about abroad job. Collect the informations and try to apply continuously. Of course, one day you will get success. So guys, again, lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. I hope you will share this information and get subscribe this channel, and you can get all updates about the latest job openings. So lots of thanks again. Best of luck. Bye bye.